the generator will be well packaged to avoid damage during transportation and storage. The film coating on the carton prevents moisture and provides additional protection. The carton contains an op bag and shock-absorbing spacers. Both external and internal designs incorporate protective measures. The 5 kilowatts unit weighs only 47 kilograms, manageable for single-person transport. The video shows the machine and its accessories. Equipped with wheels and handles for easy mobility, unscrew the oil tank cap. Unscrew the oil dipstick and prepare to add full-stroke engine oil. Engine oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. Use funnel to add oil: 168F, 170F, 0.65 liters, 177F192, F1.1 liters. Unscrew the fuel tank cap, filling the tank with gasoline fuel. Fuel type: regular unleaded gasoline. Turn the ventilation switch to the on position. Prevents fuel flow issues caused by vacuum pressure in the tank. This generator features 3 starting methods. Rotate the starter switch to the run position. First, pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This 2-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. Connect the battery cables before electric or remote starting. Open the cover using tools. We adopt a new plug-in connection system. Connect the plug to the battery for power. Disconnect battery cables during prolonged storage to prevent discharge. Reinstall the cover. Rotate the starter switch to run and press the start button. Rotate the starter switch to the run position. Remote range: 50 meters. Press and hold for 3 seconds to start. Factory setting requires 10-second intervals between remote starts. Avoids damage to starter motors and batteries from frequent starts. Turn the switch to the OFF position to stop. Or press and hold the remote key for 3 seconds to shut down. Turn the ventilation switch to the OFF position after use. Prevents fuel, vapor leakage. Components on the control panel are shown in the diagram below.